Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you this mango mixed fruit juice from a brand Al Amarai. So this is mixed. It has grapes, mango, orange, some pineapple and some apricot, I believe. And all the products are from, all the ingredients which they have used, fruits are from India, they are saying like that. What else? What all the nutritional information is mentioned. It is 1.5 liter and it's a product of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. It costed me around $2. So let's open it. Oh sorry, it costed me around $1.5. So this is how it looks like. How beautiful. The color of this is beautiful. And please do not forget to shake this bottle before using it. I already shaked it before, so let me taste it now. Very yummy, very tasty. You can see the color of it. It's so amazing, beautiful. Please friends, go and try this. It is very amazing, beautiful. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care.